Mini Edu Agri, an Erasmus project about the climate change and the Green Deal solution among the countries Latvia, Italy, and Greece. Welcome, dear colleagues, to Kamena Voula and Agios Konstantinos. Welcome. Getting to know each other in the primary school of Kamena Voula before starting working on the project. Here we have Italian and Latvian teachers in the primary school of Agios Konstantinos. They have an acquaintance with the school teachers and then a discussion about the project takes place. Our students feel happy to meet Italian and Latvian teachers and keep smiling while getting to know them. Students seem very curious about this meeting. They ask European teachers to talk to them. Latvian and Italian teachers visit some classrooms and the gym of our primary school. In the end of our meeting in Agios Konstantinos Primary School, the head teacher hands out the certificates of participation in this project. Let's relax for a while. Some visits to nearby destinations, such as the monastery of Metamorphosis to Soteiros and the local thermal springs and baths of Konyavitis. Some relaxing moments while dining in a restaurant in Kamena Voula. Let's work together for a sustainable future.